Hi my dear students, welcome to our channel Learn Physics with Guna sir. If you are watching our channel first time, please subscribe. For more updates, click the bell icon. Thank you. Today our experiment is Melde's experiment. Aim of the experiment: the determination of the frequency of the given AC source using Melde's method by using an electrically vibrated tuning fork. Required operators: battery eliminator, electrically vibrated tuning fork, weight box, meter scale, sewing thread, frictionless pulley. Main parts included in the tuning fork is copper coil, make and break knob. First we need to tie the thread for one end of the thread to the tuning fork and another end to the pan. That pan has to be passed over the frictionless pulley as showing in video. Procedure: how to do this experiment: connect the battery eliminator for 4 volts. Then there are two knobs are there, output DC 2 amperes. Connect the positive terminal, that means it is red color, in the from the battery eliminator. Same this one connected to the another end of the wire to the tuning fork, and take another wire, connect that one to the output of the battery eliminator for the negative knob, that means that is negative terminal. The second end of the that wire we need to connect the tuning fork's black terminal, that means negative terminal. Connect the connections without any loose contact. Now this experiment we are going to do in two modes of vibrations. One is longitudinal mode and another one is transverse mode of vibrations. Longitudinal mode means vibrations of the tuning fork is parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. Now we have to add some weight in the pan. That is the longitudinal mode. Add the weights in the pan. Adjust the screw until the steady vibrations obtained with the fork. Keep on observe the make and break knob when we touch that knob with the tuning fork, we can observe sparks as watching in the video. Now count the number of loops formed in the thread and calculate the length of that and the number of loops created in the string. Here we need to count the number of loops created in the string is in between the tuning fork to the frictionless pulley. Measure the length of that thread by using the meter scale. Note down these values in the given tabular form, then do the calculations for the frequency of the tuning fork in longitudinal mode. The experiment in the same longitudinal mode for different weights, then we can enter into the transverse mode of vibration. Vibrations of the tuning fork is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave, then we can say that is the transverse mode of vibration. In this mode also we need to calculate the number of loops and measure the length of the thread. If we observe in the transverse mode of vibration, we will get the more number of loops when compared to the longitudinal mode of vibration with the same weight. And that means the length of the loop is here decreases. Note down all the values in the given tabular form and do the calculations for calculating the frequency. Finally, we will get in both longitudinal and transverse mode same frequency. Thank you for learning here.